Okay, so this is effectively a version 2.0 to Fundraising 101, or Fundraising Basic 101. Basically, I came up with the problem that with regular donors, you would have to manually enter every single donation every single month, and as your list of regular donors got bigger, that would be a real hassle. So I made a couple of edits, and I've got a process for you as well. So the edits here are that we created 2 new fields. We always had this regular giver piece here, but then we've added if a regular giver, the regular gift amount, and there's basically an on-off button here, which will help us a little bit later on. So in order to make this work, we have to have a little process here. What we're going to do is we're going to go into here, and we are going to export all our regular givers, and we selected those using the filter. So let me go up here. Now we do have to open this. It will automatically save to your downloads, but we're going to open this up here, and we are we are going to put an extra column in here, because we are going to want to know what the transaction date is. And let's go to 14. There we go. So we are going to save that, and then return to Podio, back to our workspace, and into donations. So we're going to use the import function for donations here. As you can see, our regular givers have been giving very generously, and we can use the Excel import. Choose a file. Yeah. So that's that there, and it should pop up for us quite nicely. Right. So what we're going to do is take across the following data on here. So let's go from the top. We're going to take across all the relevant data in here, as much as we can, because this is going to make sure that we don't end up with duplicate records. Bear in mind, some of these won't come across because they're app references rather than manually entered data fields. Category context status. Now, ignore this. If a regular giver, ignore that. We're then going to go down as far as gift aid status, declaration scan, and this if a regular giver, select regular giver, goes into channel, because that's actually going to determine our channel for us. Come down a bit further, miss out the rest of it. We're going to go to donation amount, and we're going to populate it with fields there. That goes in there, and then we created a manual transaction date, which is all the way up at the top here. And we bring that down and pop that in there, making sure we have the correct date format for our continent. Okay, and that is then going to come across, and the duplication handling is very important. Basically, you want to darken all these keys and then import. So put in the detail. Basically, if we refresh now, refresh donations, you will see that we have another set of donations. And if we go back to contacts, you'll see we have not created duplicate contacts, but we have the gift amount is increased, the last donation date is increased, and we have done it. Thank you very much.